Today I will discuss how to install the Cisco Unity connection, CUC. This is my diagram. So in the previous videos I already installed the CUCM. Now we'll install the CUC. So we'll give them IP as 1070.12.12. So the installation process of CUC are the following. First, you have to ensure that the NTP is reachable. And then you must create a DNS entry in your Windows server. You need to create a DNS entry in your Windows server. You need to download the CUC OBA file and also the ISO file. Then most of the time you will download the non-bootable ISO file. So I will show to you how to convert this from non-bootable to bootable. Okay, and then you will create the VM and then follow the CUC installation prompts. So first, we will ping the NTP server. Okay, so I have here my Windows server. I will just ping the NTP server. Okay. So we need the CMD. So the IP of our NTP server is 192. So ping 192.168.1.250. This is the IP address of my NTP server. So it is reachable. Next thing, we need to create our DNS entry. Okay, from here, forward lookup zone, you need to create a new one, new host. We will name it CUC-1. Then the IP will be 1070.12.12. Okay, then add host. Okay, as you can see, it's created here. So the next thing we have to do is we need to download the ISO file from the Cisco website. Usually you can do it by your own, but I will show you the file that you will download. Okay, see. Okay, when you download from the Cisco website, you will find sometimes you need the OBE file, and also this is the installer, which is, as you can see, it's not says bootable. It's only UCS install. Okay, so to make it bootable, you need to install these two tools. Okay, the zip and zip, so that we can open the ISO file, and also the CDR TFE file. Okay, so that we can make a bootable ISO file. So first we have to install the 7-zip file. Okay, just install. You can search on the Google where you can download the 7-zip file. Okay, the next thing is you need to install the CDR TFE file. Okay, click OK. Then next, just accept the agreement and then make sure the multiple language support is checked. Then click OK. Next, install. Then we're done. Okay, the next thing we need to do, as you can see here, you need to extract this using 7-zip. So just right click and then 7-zip, and then extract. Then it will extract the ISO file to see all the files. Okay. So once we extract, you will see this is the whole folder. So you need to copy the one file iso linux.bin. So we will just copy this, then I will put it this outside here. Okay, because we need it later. So the next thing, we need to configure this CDR file. Okay, first what you have to do is you go to options. Okay, you need to select the locations where you're gonna save the ISO file. So we'll put it here. We'll make a new folder. We'll make it as bootable CUC. Okay, so then we will name it to, we'll copy this, we will name as, we'll put this bootable, okay, UCS. Okay, then click save, then create an image only, this at once, and then click OK. The next thing is you need to click the file system. You need to create boot disk. Create boot disk info. We will also select the no disk emulation, and then on the boot image we will select the Linux that I copied before inside here, if you remember. So we'll just copy this ISO Linux and then click open, and then click OK, and then from here I will just make this a little bit so that you can see. So this is the one that we extract using 7-zip, right? So you have to copy all of this, I'll just double check everything is correct to become bootable. Okay, so you need to copy all of this file, drag it here on the CDR tools, and then click start, then click OK. So it will take time, as you can see, before it will be finished. As you can see, this is the bar where you can see the percentage. Now it is complete, execution complete. So we'll come back here in the folder. So as you remember, I create this folder and then it should be saved here. As you can see now, this is the bootable UC install. So from here, let's copy this path. We are done, we're ready. So we will open our EXSI. So I will show you this. This is my VMware EXSI. So we'll create a new VM, virtual machine. Okay, in installing the CUC, you need to deploy using the OBE file. Okay, next we'll just CUC-1. It's the name the same on you created on the DNS. Okay, and then from here, this is the file that we created. Then I don't know, not this one. We should select the OBA files first. Okay, then open, then next, I agree, next, next, finish. Once it's finished, just right click and then edit settings, go to the CD DVD data store. Okay, now you need to, I will delete this one because I uploaded this one before, or we will upload, usually we will upload here, but I already upload, so no need to do it again. But okay, let's do it. I will delete this. So now we'll upload. So this is the bootable image that we created. Just click open and then it will upload to our data store. So now the bootable CUC already on the data store. We'll just click this and then select and then make sure it's connect and then save. Now we will start. We'll use the console. CUC console. Remote console. We'll just click skip. We'll select OK. We'll select yes. We'll click proceed. We'll select no. We'll just click continue. So we'll check our time zone. We are in Asia. Click OK. Continue. No. Do you want to use no? We'll put the IP address manually, so the hostname will be CUC-1. IP address is 10.70.12.12 255.255.0. Gateway will be 10.70.12. Main gateway is 12.2. Then click OK. DNS. Do you want to enable the main DNS on this machine? We'll select yes. Our DNS IP address will be 10.70.10.3. Our domain is mynetsecurity.com. Click OK. Okay, for the administrator, I will put admin. For the password is okay. Click OK. We'll create organization is my. We'll just create this one for certificate. Security, IT, Jubail, then KSA, Saudi Arabia. Click OK. This is the first cluster. I will click yes. The NTP server IP address is 192. Sorry, 192.168. Wait a minute. What's that IP address? 1.250. I have only one, so I'll just click OK. Security password will be the same with the one I used for the admin. Click OK. No. Here I will create, for the application I will just create admin also. Click OK. So platform is complete. I will click OK. Then it will install. It will take a little time. I will pause the video and then I will show you once it's done.